Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And here I have recently built a project that is named URL Shortener. That is URL Shortener. That is the project URL Shortener. Here I have a URL Shortener. We can using this we can shorten any URL. Here let's take a video. Let's take it. Let's take this one. Let's take this one. The cohort. We can shorten the URL. We can shorten its URL using it shows hold on, you need to sign up or login first here, and I have login using my another account that is let's take it. Yeah, I have login using as a Euroism, and I have pasting it, shorten the URL, and it is generated URL. It has already generated a URL QR code, and we put it cohort HORT 3.0, and here we go. We created a URL using this, and here it is shows the statistics about the URL, who has used this URL, who has used it from which places. Like if we click on this, then it is started showing this. So one click has been done on this URL, that is from Chandigarh, and the device is desktop. And if we click on this again and we get it again, I click that as so on the URL increases. Links, here are the links we can create, update, delete, and copy the URL code. It is like we copy this is pasted url.shortly by Hitesh Chaudhary, and here are YouTube video. You can log in and sign up, and then here are the some of main commonly occurs error, like people are facing errors like fetching URL data, like how to render this. And you can go on to my GitHub and just go into my source component, and like the internet is little bit slow, I think. Then we can go to pages, and we go here links directed, and here we go here links, and here we go. Yeah, here is the way I have sorted URL. I have taken the URL system that yeah, there I have fetched this URL, like this whole URL. I got to like getting these URLs from this URL. I am getting live from this URL that is showing on my console. This is my Windows tab, search tab, and I am fetching this from here and so rendering it here. Like to show this, I have called a function. Yeah, here I have got downloads, new links. Here I have got new links, pasting it. I have here somewhere I have called this function. Mm, yeah, yeah, I have used memo using use memo. I have called this function passing url.id, url.shortlink, or nothing else. If URL has nothing, then I am calling this function replacement dashboard with ID. Here I am getting this like link slash ID, whatever ID it is, 5 or 6 or 10, and I am getting here a dashboard. Then I am replacing it link plus ID slash sort URL, and then I am rendering it. Link, this is the link, plus this is the sort URL p1yn, and here I am using this, and I have using this. Here I am doing the same, and also here I am doing the same. Like this is id, like link slash id, and then slash I have pasted using I have replaced link slash id with URL, sort URL. Like we can say this is replacement. I have used the replace function. Link plus id got replaced with slash plus sort URL. Here we go, and you can check it on my GitHub, and I will be posting all this, or I will be provide the link for my GitHub account on the link, YouTube link description.